as a cardiologist and with significant experience overseas and building your experience here in Antigua and Barbuda, what are some of the things that you're seeing, and what are some of the challenges, and what are some of your messages to clients?
Well, the Heart and Stroke Foundation, we've recently launched, and it's under the theme Mind Your Heart. I don't think we take enough consideration of our heart. We have only one, and so we need to mind it very daily. And it is the powerhouse of the body. So I do see a phenomenal number of patients with acute coronary syndrome. For example, this means a heart attack or angina. An angina is a precursor of a heart attack. Heart failure is the end stage of heart disease, and that is very, very common. At the Mount St. John's Medical Center, I'm sure if I was to go on the ward now, there will be many persons with heart disease, because it is the #1 cause of death globally, and also we see those numbers in Antigua and Barbuda and the rest of the Caribbean. So we need to start from managing hypertension, diabetes, high cholesterol, adequately getting patients to control targets and prevent these complications, these diseases from happening. And our young people, I am worried about our young people. The childhood obesity is on a rise, and it's already at very phenomenal numbers. So if we're going to limit this projection from happening, from progressing, we need to start with the children.
And as a parent, what do I put in place to ensure that my children have a good chance in terms of reducing the risk of heart disease?
So physical activity. Now we need to encourage our children to get outside, play, ride their bikes, play cricket, play football. They are now more focused on the devices, and so they have more sedentary lifestyle. They're not as active. And so weight goes on because we eat, we have that higher calorie intake, but we're not expending this. And so that's where we see the weight gain going. And the foods, lots of fried foods and high fat content foods are now readily available, like on every street corner. And that's where we need to focus. Apples, maybe they might want some fruits. Try to encourage them in that way. Also vegetables.